Duluth Aerial Bridge, Atlantic Huron.
Aerial Bridge, go ahead.
Yes, sir. I'm a mile and a bit there from you now.
Copy that. You got the time you left your peers over there?
Stand by. It's 1900 local time.
Thank you much. I'll get started here. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Port Terminal Docks 1 and 2, Atlantic Huron 16.
Atlantic Huron, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir. What channel would you like to use at the dock?
Channel 6-7.
Roger that, 6-7, and I'll need a declaration of security.
Okay, no problem.
High security, Atlantic Huron, channel 6.
Roger, go ahead.
The dock says you can park anywhere you want along here. If you want to be up by the gantry, I don't know what you need. Shipyard where they you can have any place on the dock.
Okay, yeah, we were here before. I got a marker on my chart here for where we were last time, so let's do the same thing. Seemed to work out pretty good. No, we're in the process of trying up there. We got our private channel, so we'll give you a shout in a few minutes.